So I'm going to show you how to change the passcode of your Apple Watch SE3. So you want to press the crown once and then tap on settings. Under settings, scroll down to passcode, tap on that, and then go and select change passcode. Enter the current passcode that you've been using. And then now you'll be told to enter new passcode. So you want to enter that new passcode you want to be using. And then mine is warning me that it's an easy to guess passcode. So I'm going to use it anyway. And then you need to enter that passcode twice. So I'm going to enter it again, the new passcode that I'm changing to, and then you'll see this, and that tells you the passcode is changing. So now the passcode has been changed. So now when you try to use your old passcode, it's going to get rejected and you have to use the new passcode. Simple as that. Thanks for watching and good luck.